What's up, YouTube? This is the Welding Machine coming to you guys with another video tonight and this morning. So I tried to pull metal out off the trailer and it didn't work. So here's what my truck looks like. Yep, mud on all four tires. Stuck on this little hill. Man, my parents is gonna kill me. I dug all of that and that is bad. Really bad. But I couldn't even move the trailer because it's too wet out. Even if I did have four-wheel drive, I would dig a deeper hole. But yeah, let me see if I can't hold this a certain way. There we go. But yeah, guys, so the trailer's still out, you know, it's still there. I'm about to take the torches. Whoa, I'm about to take the torches and cut the metal in half, about 5 feet. 6 foot wide, so about 5 by 5. Cut it down to the made me look it out here. So just to show you the damage that I left. It goes from here all the way out there. Just to move this trailer right here. It's a 1,300 pound trailer. Got 262 4-pound I-beam square tube frame for a gantry crane. And look at that. You think I'm joking? Look at that. Look how deep that hole is. Whatever, everybody, this is the Welding Machine, and look at that, I got stuck right here. So I had to drop the load right behind the shop. Alright, sorry for the natural lighting. Alright, so right here with the Chevy mounts, you got, well, this is 85, so you got one right there, one up top, and then one right here. There's 3 on each side where it connects to the frame. Sorry, that side's a little dark. And then you got these cross braces that could go back to the frame from the outside of the bumper. You got 1, 2, you got one right here, and you got one up there. Same for that side. And you know, you just get back into it. I already took out the 2, and then I took out 2. I didn't take out the top yet, and I'm gonna go ahead and figure that out. Oh, sorry, we're gonna look at this side. You gotta take out the top, that one, and then that's it. And then this is just to connect the bumper, but I'm gonna take that. I'm not gonna take that off, but I might reuse these cross braces right here. Might reuse these cross braces so it'll be bolted up to the frame. I don't know yet for sure, but I'll let you guys know. So stay tuned. For these 2 right here, that attaches to that bracket that goes to the bumper over there, and then the other 4 are 3. No, the other 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 are 3 1/4. Well, I cleared it up. I have what I use, but I left the 2 top bolts in because all I got to do now is just yank it off, and it's good. All right. All right, guys. Thanks to my helper and a little bit of movie magic, bumper is up. It was a struggle by yourself. Well, by myself anyways. Alright, so I'm going to take you guys off so we can go ahead and get a closer look at what you had to take off. So anybody want this chrome bumper, just hit me up on YouTube and I'm going to sell it. Alright, so now what you're looking at, those 2 are 3/8. Yeah, 3/8 bolts. Let me make sure. No, my bad, sorry. Those are 5/8. And then the mounts right here, bolts right here for this are 3 1/4. And it's 6 of them all together. And it's 4 of these that are 5/8. So this is the bumper off. That's what the truck looks like. Alright guys, stay tuned. We're about to go ahead and make the brackets for the bumper mounts for the new bumper. Alright everybody, back with an update. Got the bumper off, got the plates up there. Let's take away this cardboard right here real quick. So, now, what you guys gotta remember is, for this, you gotta make sure it's level. Really? For this, you gotta make sure it's level that way. Let's see. Which way? That way. You see it's not level. I gotta go over and fix it. And you gotta make sure it's level this way, so you want it level both ways. I got them not tacked up there. I got them held up by clamps right now on both sides. Trying to figure out the width like that. You know, if you're looking down at it. So I'm probably gonna go 6 inches all the way around. So it'll be kind of like that, 6 inches or whatnot. That's just templates. And use cardboard, because if you don't use cardboard to find mysterious angles, then you're gonna mess up with your metal, and then you're gonna be very, very, very ticked off. So here's my angle I got where it lines up with that bolt. The Harbor Freight plasma cutter. We're powered on. We're out in the natural light. It's got an IPT40 torch, so it's a little bit better torch than the cutting guide. All right, YouTube, let's check it out. We're about to power it on. Set to 40. That's the highest max. So we're gonna set it probably about 30. It's 316 steel. Got the air pressure set and everything. So let's check it out. We got so far, we cut the plate out of 3/16 plate. So right now we got it level somewhat. We got adjustments on the outside on the mounts. So I know I can raise it. Then if I raise it, I gotta pull the plate forward a little bit. All right, YouTube, this is what we got so far. It's nighttime, as you can see. You know, I had to figure out exactly how to get it where it's lined up with the body like that, because the Chevy's got a curve on it. It goes like straight and then curve. But this is where I'm going. This is how I'm going with it. I'll probably put another plate up front. It's gonna be at like an angle. But I got that tacked on. Got the body mount. Got the bolts and stuff on there holding it up. This is gonna be the first video. I know it's kind of boring. Not too much going on. But the next video is gonna have a lot more action, cutting, and stuff like that. Let's see. So you know, it's the welding machine. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for part 2 coming up. They're probably gonna be coming out pretty soon, back to back or something like that. Or I set up a schedule post next week or whatever. I'll try to post on the weekends. So thank you for subscribing, and you know, I keep my views going up. Thank you.